Hello guys, today I'm going to review Juventus's third kit of the 2017-2018 season. So the jersey combines history with the future. Juventus's kit put the club's classic black and white elements into a subversive military green. The iconic black and white stripes cross the front of the shirt. The bianconeri respects history and keeps pace with the times. The Juventus third away jersey has a striking black round collar, which brings a strong classical flavor with the black cuffs. Right here, black cuffs and black collar. The model year of this jersey is 2017 to 2018. The country and league is Italy, and they're playing for Serie A. The material is polyester. And also here you can see the Climacool. Right here. And type of brand logo is embroidered, and the type of team badge is heat press. This is the front view. Let us see the back view of the jersey. There is actually nothing in the back view. I bought it with no name actually and no patches, so there is nothing to see at the back. So let's return to the front. Here there's this color with no extra designs and nothing else. I bought this shirt from Edmond Soccer Shop. It's a lovely and wonderful shirt with no mistakes, and I bought it for $17 from the wish deal list, and it took a few weeks to arrive. They have great customer service, and I advise all my viewers to check this site because it has cheap, very cheap jerseys with very high quality. So I think that's enough to say. Check my coupon code in the description to get $5 discount, and thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.